In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, you need to launch settings and scroll to click on the notifications over here. Then select app notifications at the top and click on this icon at the top right corner of notifications section. Then filter your apps to see all of them, ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, or with notifications already off. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, hit OK. Now we use blue switchers next to apps from which you want to block them. Or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip: I usually tap on any of my apps I'm interested in on the left, and this way manage not only notifications at the top, but also check out and operate all of those other notification options from chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!